Around for more than 100 years and a part of the lives of more than 100 million American children. After months of consideration about an issue that has divided its ranks, stirring up passionate debate, tonight the Boy Scouts of America has voted to allow openly gay members. NBC's Pete Williams broke the news back in January that the Scouts were considering this change, and he starts us off tonight with the late developments from our Washington newsroom. Pete, good evening.
And good evening. This is a big change for an organization that has fought for decades to preserve the strict ban on admitting gay scouts. And scouting officials say tonight it passed handily with 60% of the vote of its national council. So this means the long-standing policy will be lifted that had banned gay scouts, but it remains in effect for banning gay scout leaders. The vote ends a wrenching process that started 4 months ago when Boy Scout leaders and on gay adults as scout leaders.
This is a challenging, complex area. It's a very difficult decision. And with
38% of
item of a special and not giving.
How you feel about this issue?
50% of all
About this issue, kids are better off in scouting.
Church groups sponsor 70% of all local scout units, and many fought to keep the ban.
And focusing on building strong young men and not getting an organization turned into a sexual agenda item of a special interest organization.
But the Mormon Church, it sponsors 1/4 of the nation's scouting units, signaled that it would not oppose the admission of gay scouts. A survey conducted for the Boy Scouts found that 48% of parents of current scouts support the ban, down from 57% 3 years ago. But a majority of Boy Scouts themselves, 56%, oppose the ban on admitting gay scouts, 42% opposing it strongly. Chuck and Rhonda Montera of Denver are among parents in favor of a change. They have 2 sons in the Cub Scouts.
When we look at this issue 50 years in the future, it'll be like civil rights, and it's like, what took us so long?
The Scouts say the new policy takes effect January 1st of 2014.